Alright, what's up guys? It is 2:30 December 4th, I believe. Or no, it's the 3rd. So, me and Levi was up at my dad's house today. One of his buddies bought some land that backs up to his, so we went up there to check it out and kind of just see what it looked like. Made deer hunting a little bit. Definitely gonna turkey hunt it some. So we was up there kind of scouting around on it today, and then as we're standing there talking to my dad, getting ready to leave, my camera went off. And 2 nights ago I had a picture of a pretty big deer, it looked like, but it was from the back and kind of the side. You could just tell he had a big split G2 and was thick and like had a big frame on him, but that was the only picture I had of him. So went down there yesterday evening and hunted it. Seen a few deer, nothing crazy. And then while we're standing there talking to my dad a few minutes ago, my camera went off. I checked it and he daylighted at 2:01. So he is like super close right now. Got to be close by, and I have no stand hung at this spot or anything, so we're fixing to go ground hunt it. I'm gonna stop at Walmart right here and get some of that stake in ground blind stuff, and just kind of hope for the best, really. I mean, I hate to not hunt tonight. We got a good wind for it, and everything is perfect besides just not having a stand hung. So it's a super tight spot, but these deer work it a lot. It's a big funnel from one big patch to another big patch that borders the river. So we're gonna go see what happens, and yeah, wish us luck. About to get rowdy. It's 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, and look at here. We got the bald eagle.
Kind of making a lap around this neighborhood. We can see down in this bottom where we're going. Just make sure he ain't bedded down close by, we don't bust him out. Chase almost threw up when we pulled on this road.
I don't know why, dude. Like, I get nervous chasing a big deer and think you got a shot at him, but like tonight I'm like bad. Like, my stomach is like right there.
It's going down tonight. We're gonna ride a couple more roads just to make sure. But see y'all in the ground blind.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want the tripod?
It don't matter.
You tell me.
You tell me.
What do you want?
I don't care.
Leave it off the tripod just in case you gotta get up over that bed or something.
Alright, but your video, if he walks in, might be like this. Go and turn that off, boy.
He's bedded right there. He's bedded right there. He's bedded right there. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Don't freak me out.
Look straight across the ditch. He's a quarter's way up the ridge.
Oh.
Is that him or the other
I
one?
don't think that's him. I thought you was just playing with me.
No. That's a big.
Can I lay this down?
Yeah.
just need to get on the other side of this.
I know it. As soon as we get on them steps right there, he's gone though. You know it?
Yeah.
And he is done with.
There's people at this house or something. No, he's still looking at that bottom. But he's kind of looking at us now.
He's really not. He's just sitting there eating.
Yeah. Hey.
What?
He's looking at us right there.
What's he doing?
You want me to keep this rolling?
Yeah.
You got 50 minutes of.
You can turn it off. Did you tell him what we had going on?
No.
So, as y'all seen, it was Wiz walking running super late this morning, and I'm about to pull in to get Levi. And I'm sure he's gonna make fun of me. I was supposed to be here at 5:45. It is now 6:08. Good morning. Just get here when you can, Levi.
Listen, bud. You're approximately 25 minutes late, Chase Turner. Yeah. Yeah.
gotta do like a big rundown because I haven't done much at all like the past 2 days.
You on the scope?
Is it recording?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. So yesterday you guys seen I was videoing the shooter that we're after right now. He's just kind of like meandering, chasing does. They're going into like a little stage down here where they look for one more doe to breed, I guess. And yesterday he was just acting crazy. Like I seen him probably 6 or 7 different times in this same neighborhood, just running does. I could about find him any road I turned down. And then, so I had to leave and go to work. Whenever I got to work, he come in there at like 11:30 yesterday. But I was at work. Well, yesterday was my little boy Lawson, his birthday, so I didn't hunt yesterday evening. He daylighted again yesterday evening at like 5:30. Well, today, this morning, we had a job down here in that same neighborhood. Well, we pull up down here, we see him again, doing the same thing as he was yesterday in the same yard, just kind of bedding down with does and messing with them does here and there. Well, whenever we was leaving, there was a lady standing in her yard right there next door, so I walked over there and talked to her, and she's pretty much like, Lord, yes, like, come on whenever, you know, like, we can't stand them, they mess up everything. And I was telling her, like, hey, like, I just want to shoot, like, the older ones, you know, I'm not going to go in there and just shoot everything. I'm looking for, like, this older buck that I know that's in the area, blah, blah, blah. And she's like, yeah, I understand that. And, like, as I'm saying that, I look over her shoulder, and the deer that we're hunting literally is like 40 yards and beds down behind her. So I was at work at the time, so we get in the truck after I get permission. She told me that her neighbor was going to give me permission also. I haven't talked to her yet, but where she's at is like plenty good enough. It's where I've seen him at like 3 times now. So he beds down behind her. I finish up right there talking to her. We get in the truck, haul ass to work, get to work, eat our Christmas dinner that we got, and dipped out and left. And me and Levi are headed down here now. We're gonna kind of glass and see where he's at, what he's doing, see if he's still bedded right there. If he's still bedded right there, we're gonna try to put a little stock on him. And then if he's not, we'll probably just hunt right there because he's back and forth right there all the time. I mean, I'm pretty sure I've like found where his like main hangout is. And if he's not right there, then he's at the other spot where I've been hunting at. So if he's not right there, then we know kind of where to go and what to do. So that's the plan. I know that's a lot, but
It's a pretty good plan.
pretty rowdy. And I've named him Meat.
Dude, what?
Like the Roadrunner. Meep. Because every time I see him, he's running. Today was
How you even spell that? How you spell it?
Meep.
Okay.
Meat.
Alright.
Because every time I've seen him, the first like handful of trail camera pictures I'd have of him, he would just grab a bite and go. Grab a bite and go. Every time I get a picture of him, it was one picture and a very bad picture. So I was like, oh, I'll turn my camera to video and then I'll get a video of him. Well, the first video we got of him, he literally just runs by the corner of the camera. And then yesterday, the first time I seen him in person, the whole time he was just in like a steady just run trot, which he's just trailing does, and checking does and checking scrapes and stuff like that. So he's just kind of on the move right now, but I don't know. I couldn't really think of what else to name him. But after yesterday, seeing him running around everywhere, and then I got to thinking, I was like, name him Roadrunner. So
His name is
Meep. Alright, we just got over here to this spot where we've been hunting at. We kind of come up with a little game plan. I think the new spot that I just got, he's not there right now. He was like, what time was it I seen him? It was like 11 when I seen him. We got back down here at like 1 something, and he was gone. And he's not anywhere over there. We can't see. You can glass like a pretty good bit of it from the road, and all the deer he was with are there, but he's not. So I'm pretty sure he's like hanging out over there in the morning times, chasing those does. There's a big group of does over there. And then like midday, he's breaking away from them and coming to this bigger patch over here on the river and maybe trying to find him some more or some feed. I got some feed out over here. So he daylighted right here yesterday evening at 5. So we're going to ease in here and see what happens. And hopefully well, got rained out tonight for the most part. I don't know, man. It's driving me crazy now. This cat and mouse game has gotten a little bit more than what I wanted to. I made like a deal with myself at the beginning of this year that I wasn't going to hunt unless I was like pretty confident that it could happen that evening, and paid off on me on the first hunt, on the first deer that I shot this year, just because I'm staying out of there, not stinking the woods up. Like past years, I've just sat in there, whether he was just straight nighttime pictures or whatever, you know, I just still just go in there and sit, and I think it does more damage than good sometimes. So just kind of hit or miss right now. It's like I'll be there and he's not there, and then when I'm not there, he'll be there, and then like having to work in the middle of all of it and everything. I need one of those careers where I can just hunt as much as I want to, I guess. Headed to the house right now. It's like an hour drive from there to here, so I'm almost home. I'm gonna go lay the head down, eat a piece of pizza, and leave early in the morning, go back again and try it before work, I guess. I'm gonna hunt till probably 10 or so, and then head to work. Pretty much run through all of my PTO time so far. We got big deer to kill, so yeah, we're gonna stay at it, see what happens, hopefully not lose our job, and party on, ride the big one. We'll see y'all on a stand in the morning. Let's do it. Well, gonna go try it again. Just stopped by the store right here. He's over here. Hunted the new spot this morning that we got at work the other day. Seen a ton of deer, but he didn't show up over there, so I don't know. I'm gonna give him a couple more sets, and I'm probably gonna lay off of him and see if I can see what this. I got a 10-pointer on camera that I'd love to kill, but we'll see what this deer is gonna do for the next couple sets, and then probably move over to that 10-pointer and see what he's about, I guess. So we're headed back over here now, pretty early. I actually may pull in this park right there before and take me a nap. I'm exhausted. So that's the plan. Headed back over here to try it again, and maybe he'll show. He showed up last night on camera at 8:30 after me and Levi hunted in the rain yesterday evening, so he wasn't too far from there. So I'm gonna go over here and glass this ridge and glass a couple other spots where he likes to hang out, and if he ain't in them, then we'll hunt where we've been hunting at off the ground, and then if we see him close to that other spot, then we'll go over there and hop in the stand. So we'll see what happens. Stick with us. Alright guys, just got set up right here. I cannot stand hunting this spot because it's so tight, and I hate hunting this close to the house like this. Like I always hunt for like pretty close to the house, but not sitting up against it. I literally have no choice right here, and this is where I've got all my daylight pictures of him. And the other spot over there that I just got, I haven't seen him over there in the evening yet, so just kind of hunting this spot in the evening times. As much as I hate it, but I don't have anywhere else to go hunt him at. So, but there's literally like 2 trees I could get in, but if I get in those, and once I get jacked up in them, I'll be like eye level with these people's living room. So I'd rather not do that. So I've just got me like a makeshift blind right here that me and Levi made, and we've seen deer out of it, and they're still sketchy acting. So I don't know. And I forgot my tripod tonight also, so if he does come in, I don't know what I'll do about footage. I'm gonna try to set it on this bag right here and point it that way, but I don't know how that's gonna look. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. these deer, they'll funnel from up through there. There's a bigger patch of woods up in there. They'll funnel right through here, and that goes down into a big bottom that opens up into the river. So let's see what we can do. Oh my God, he just went down right there. He just went down right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just absolutely freaking oh my God. That just happened. That just happened. I had absolutely almost zero confidence in this tonight. Almost zero confidence. I'm sitting here, not even paying attention. I'm not even gonna lie. Sitting here on my phone just like, where could he be? I'm just beating maps up. And I hear a deer start walking. I peek my head up over this bush, and he is standing at 60 yards. Walked straight up, and I just shot him at 30 yards and watched him fall. Oh my God. What a run, boys. What a freaking run. Oh my God, I've got to call the boys. I get up on my knees, draw back as soon as he gets behind these trees, and I shoot him in between these two. Heart shot. Shot him right there. He runs right there and falls. I even took the time to video him walking in, and then I laid the camera down right here. So I got a second angle of him. You hear it hit him, and then I picked the camera up and videoed him falling.
Oh my God. Dude, what are you doing? Like, let's walk down, like, let's check him out. Come on, what are you doing? Get off your butt right now.
You want me to walk down?
Yeah.
Levi.
Chase.
Dude. He's like thick.
Yeah. What do you think?
I mean, I knew he wasn't pencil horn. I knew he was thick, but he's like thick. I'm trying to get this camera set up and shit. And in his backyard. Dude. That image right there is 12, 13 inches. And bladed, look.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Nice. Yes, sir.
Levi.
My God.
waiting on Levi to get here. There's just that huge ditch. I can't get him up it by myself. It's rained so much here lately. I cannot. I drag him like 2 foot and then I lose 4 because I slide backwards and we fall off the hill. So Levi's headed down here. It's almost an hour drive from the house. So I've literally just been sitting down there with him, just kind of taking it all in.
Woo! Finally got him out. Levi and Charlie had come down there and helped me. I couldn't get him up this big hill by myself, as wet as it is. So we got him in the bed of the truck. We headed to have us a skinning party now, boys. So see y'all there.
If I look at my side, it's all over.